Hey Travis, here's a video to kind of help you out with some coaching stuff. I figured it was easier to explain this way than it was through a text. So this is the Digital Coaching Center from US Soccer. They've got some different ways to begin. You'll want to create a username and profile for this. You'll just click here for courses, and they offer a lot of different things, from grassroots, which is really your amateur parent coaches kind of thing, new coaches, all the way into a pro course. The first thing you'll want to do is just go to the introduction. The introduction, that's what I'm on right now. This is just a 20-minute course. It's free of charge. It just introduces you to the Digital Coaching Center platform. The next thing you'll want to do is grassroots courses. So you could do online courses, but I would suggest to do at least one in-person course. I think all of them are $50, but I do think they're worth the money. The nice thing about the in-person course is you'll make some connections with some people. You might be able to make some connections with some people in your community that could help you get involved, coaching youth and gaining some more experience, and maybe getting somebody who can kind of mentor you a little bit. So if you click in-person courses, there's different courses. These are really based on age groups. So if I just pick 7 versus 7, so there's kind of the requirements to go to the course list for the in-person courses. Click right there. I can change my state to Texas. And this shows a list of the courses that are being offered. So if it says registration, you can register. If it says it's closed, you can't. So you can kind of see the courses. Most of these are coming up pretty soon. They offer a lot of these courses throughout the year. So if you don't see one you want to do, there'll be another one. You can see how frequently they're offered. So they're offered fairly frequently. You might be able to find something in your area. You could click on a different course and do the same thing. So this is the 9v9 course. So these players are a little bit older, but you can see the cities where they're offered. I think each of these courses are, I think they're $50, but I'm not exactly sure. I think you'd have to click on registration to see that. So let's see. It may be different based on who's teaching it or the soccer organization that's running it. So there's a 9v9 course in San Antonio. Course details. This one is $65. It's run by the South Texas Youth Soccer Association, which would be a good contact for you. And it tells when the course starts, when the course stops. Kind of gives you some ideas, but you'll have to do the introduction course first. You can also do all of these courses online. So you can do the same thing and you can take the course online. But I do think it would be more beneficial for you to do it in person. The online course is cheaper, but I think I would do at least one in person just to try to get to know some people and have some good interactions with people, and you might be able to make some contacts that could serve you well for a long time. So that's where I would start. Once you do those courses, you could go in and you could take the D license course. But when you get into that, there's going to be fewer of them offered, and your cost is going to start to go up, and the time it takes to do the course is also going to go up. So let's just look at one in San Antonio. It is July 26th through September 15th. It won't meet all of those dates. It won't meet all that time. It'll probably meet on a couple different weekends during that time, but they'll give you all the information. So the first week is a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then the second week they do a Saturday and Sunday. So it just meets those two different weekends is really the format, but it's definitely getting into a higher level. It's something I think you can handle. You can do the D. You can see the price goes up from $25 to $400, but I think you have the coaching skill and everything else to jump right into a D license and do just fine. You do have to go through these courses sequentially, so you have to get the D before you jump in through the rest of it. So hopefully that can get you started. You will be doing those through the South Texas Soccer Organization. You could contact them and they could give you more information. Hope that helps. See you.